Hi folks, Jacopo from Dokin here. Welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to show you how to quickly get started with our free-to-use pre-built Google Sheets dashboards. As an example, I've taken our Google Analytics website metrics tracker. We have built a bunch of free Google Analytics dashboards for you. You can find them in our free dashboard section of our website. Once you've found the one that you'd like to use, simply click on Get Free Template, and you're going to be redirected to a preview page. The first thing to do here is simply click on Use Template. This is going to create a copy of this dashboard into your Google Drive so that you can get started with a new spreadsheet. We're going to give it a few seconds to load, and we now have this new spreadsheet that is added on our Drive. We're going to rename this Demo Dokin. And you have here a few tabs. So the first one is a welcome tab explaining you how to get started. We have our dashboard right here. We have our parameters. You don't need to worry too much about that. And you have right here our import of data from Google Analytics. This is powered by Dokin add-on. And I bet you have noticed that here on the right, we have a preview of the Dokin add-on, and we can get started with it to replace this sample data that you have in the dashboard with your own data. So we're going to click on Use, and this is going to launch the Dokin add-on. I'm going to keep an eye on my dashboard right here, which, by the way, as you can see, it allows you to filter your view by week. Here, for example, I have a period starting from a week of 2nd of January to the week starting 20th of November. And I can filter by my device, my source, and my channel. So now I want to fill that with my actual data. To do that, I'm simply going to click on Connect. So what is going to happen here is that you're going to be redirected to a login page to sync your Dokin account with Google Analytics. In my case, I have already done that. So Dokin is simply loading my Google Analytics data into this dashboard. And as you can see, this is now done. I have my own Google Analytics data that has powered this dashboard. Now, what I can do is that I could go and edit the automatic refresh of this data import. So I'm going to click on Edit Connection, and I'm redirected to this preview of data with all my dimension and metrics that I have imported. If you are familiar with query tabs and you want to spend your time in customizing your dashboard, feel free to do that. But to keep it simple, I simply suggest that you keep everything as it is in terms of metrics and dimension. If you have feedback or questions or things that you would like to change, feel free to let me know. I'd be happy to do it for you. The only thing that I suggest you do is simply refresh and custom the schedule of your automatic refresh of data. So you could set up a weekly refresh of your Google Analytics data every week at a specific day and time, or it could be a daily refresh. So for example, every day at 9 a.m., this dashboard is going to be refreshed with your data coming from Google Analytics, or every hour. And if you're on a business plan with Dokin, you can have it even every 15 minutes. You can set up notification via Slack or email. So every time this dashboard is refreshed with data from Google Analytics, you receive a notification. So I'm going to keep it as known, and you can select hourly. I'm going to simply keep it manual. So keeping it manual means that if I want to refresh it, I just need to click on Update Data and refresh my import. So I'm curious to hear your feedback. Feel free to leave a comment or send me a message. I'll be happy to follow up with you. Thank you very much.